Hello everyone, you are welcome to BuildPro Global Enterprise YouTube channel, where we teach and do all that relates to building design and construction. Today I would like to teach you how to save in AutoCAD 2018. And this is a drawing I did previously, a drawing of a 3-bedroom bungalow. To save, just like every other Windows application, you can use a shortcut. That's by pressing the Control key as Control S, Control key on your keyboard, and S at the same time. The save dialog box will come up and you now save the drawing. Or you can simply use the save icon. You can see it here on the quick access toolbar. This is the save icon. If I click on it, it will still take me to this dialog box where I can choose directly where I want to save the drawing. I can actually use this menu button, that's this letter A here. You click on it, you can see save here. So to save this drawing, I'll click on it, click on save. Still takes me to save place. Now this dialog box is asking me to choose the directory. Directory simply means where I want to save this particular drawing. I may decide to save it on my desktop, I decide to save it on a document, or any other location in my computer. So let me choose desktop. I'll click on desktop. Next thing I need to do is to give the file a name. You can see file name here. That's what you need to do. The computer suggested drawing1.dwg. DWG is the file extension for AutoCAD, that's a drawing. So to save this work, I need to click here and change this name to whatever name I would like to give it. So I want to give this one the name practice. So let me type it on my keyboard. So highlighting it and type practice. I type practice. All I need to do is to click on save. If I click save now, the drawing is saved. If you observe on the title bar here, you can see the name has changed to practice.dwg. I mean it's safe. So if I go to my desktop, you can see it here. Let's practice. That's how to save in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below. You can as well give it a thumbs up, share and comment in the comment section below. See you next time. Bye.